Welcome back to the Makers Clean channel. My name is Melissa Maker and I am a cleaning expert and founder of Makers Clean.
And in this video, we're going to talk about the freaky, fabulous world of soap scum because it is one of the most challenging flashpoints that people reach in the bathroom, and there are some very simple DIY ways that you can deal with it. Soap scum is a little melange, a combination of soap residue, body oils, dead skin cells, and hard water minerals that all kind of soup together while you're bathing and cling to the walls of your bathing facility, whether it's a stand-up bath or a fully enclosed shower like I have behind me. And the truth is, if you run your hand across any surface in a bathroom and it feels perfectly smooth and uniform, there is no soap scum. But without even looking, I can feel a tile or a piece of glass and I can tell immediately if there's soap scum. So it's a full sensory experience. There are plenty of products available on the market that will gladly remove your soap scum for you, but you can accomplish the same results by making your own product at home for pennies. You also want to make sure that you're using a product that is safe for the surfaces. So in my case, I've got a glass shower and ceramic tiles. I can gladly use vinegar on that with no worries, but if I had a natural stone shower, I would not be using vinegar in that case because acid can ruin natural stone. The first recipe I'll share with you is the dish soap and vinegar soap scum buster. It's simply equal parts white vinegar and dish soap. You're gonna mix that together in a spray bottle and you will apply it to the surface. Again, both glass and tile. So start from the top, work your way to the bottom. Now you want to make sure that you're using a tool that will balance getting the soap scum off without scratching the surface. So in this case, I'm using our reusable scrub cloth. I've got a link for you down below. Once the product has been sprayed on, I let it sit for a minute or two. That way it can really kind of do its work. And once that's done, I'll start scrubbing using an S pattern with the scrubby side. Upon completion of that, I will feel with my hand just to make sure that the surface is indeed smooth underneath all the soapy stuff. If and only if it is smooth and soap scum free, I will rinse. If not, I will continue to scrub or let the product sit for an additional couple of minutes and then reapproach it by scrubbing and then rinse. We only want to clean and rinse once, otherwise we're wasting our time. Now, if you wanted to level up, you could swap out your vinegar for baking soda and you can create a soap scum removal paste. So you're just using equal parts baking soda and dish soap here. You're gonna get kind of like a drippy pudding. You're gonna apply it with your sponge using the S pattern and you're gonna work again section by section. Let it sit for a minute or two and then scrub and give it a good rinse. Now, of course, with glass, we always want to be careful when we're using abrasive products. So you might want to test this on a hidden area first. I'm always nervous about using baking soda on glass. I mean, I haven't really noticed any scratching, but I am always hesitant. So I want to make sure that you check. And I will caution you here, please don't use an eraser sponge on your glass. I know it's tempting, but you do not want to deal with the aftermath of that. The walls and the floor of your bathing unit should be bone dry. It is the rule in this house that if you shower, you squeegee afterward. It takes under 30 seconds to do. You get quick. It's like a good workout. And our shower, we've had it for 4 years now and it looks brand new. We never have to scrub it. Something else you can do is use a daily shower spray. And the way to make that is to mix equal parts water and white vinegar and add 20 drops of tea tree essential oil. Leave that spray bottle in the shower and once you're done, simply spritz down the walls and the floor and make sure to ventilate. What this does is it kind of helps to prevent any of that hard water and kind of soapy residue from clinging to the walls. Like I said, it works okay. Squeegeeing is better, but it's definitely worth a go. I'd love to know in the comments down below how frequently you clean your shower and if soap scum is a problem for you. For us, like I said, I mean, it could easily be a problem. We do have somewhat hard water, but because we are on top of that squeegee situation, the shower looks gleaming. Let me know your habit in the comments down below. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.